Welcome back to Dallas Wild, people. Hope you guys are having a great day, great evening, great morning. Whenever you're seeing this, I hope you guys are having a great time. Today I have some... I don't know what to do. I'm getting to that age where I don't want to carry anything on my side anymore. But I also want to carry something with me. I don't want to be a minimalist where I only carry one or two things, but I don't want my pockets to be so bulky and things clinging around and just being bulky in my pocket either. So what are you gonna do? I thought about a sling like this one. This one is a Sogo. I really don't remember where I got it. I love it. It's a nice bag, but it seems a little big. For stuff I need, for stuff I put on me on every day, my little pouch here, it seems way too big. So I decided not to. So I went back to the pouch. Again, I love these things. You can hold my flashlight, my pocket knife, my pen, multi-tool, keys. Love it. But I'm like, okay, I don't need all that stuff. So I have another one, a little older, where I can only carry a flashlight, a pen, and my multi-tool. Use it for a few weeks. Yeah, I'm getting tired of carrying stuff on my side. So that being said, I switched back to a bag. Fortunately, this one does not have a name brand that I know of. Yeah, nope. I believe I got it at Walmart, I believe. It's a nice little bag. It's a good size. It don't have a lot of pockets. It's kind of a big pocket dump, and you go fishing every time you need something. I don't like that. I want something to have pockets where I can put stuff in more organized. I realize with more pockets usually means more money. But again, I find it bothering, and I always forget about it, or I bring it in the car and I don't get nothing out of it. So I go back to these guys. With that being said, again, I'm getting tired of carrying stuff on my side. Where am I going with this? I'm trying to ditch the saddlebags here and get back to another bag. This is Swiss gear. I've dealt with Swiss gear before. The only problem I have with this one is there's not many pockets. Not many organization pockets. But for that being said, for right now, it's going to have to do until I maybe get something else. I'm not sure. Who knows? I may switch back to this. Probably not, but we'll see. That being said, what do you guys think? I would love to hear in the comments below what you guys do. Do you guys just carry everything in your pocket? Do you guys carry a pouch? Do you guys carry a bag with you? Or a sling bag? I want to know in the comments what you guys do. Excuse me. With that being said, let's dive into this one, the Swiss Tech bag, and see what I have in here. So the front zipper here, I have my wallet. The flip side wallet, I have a video that I'll link somewhere are in the description below about the wallet. I have hand sanitizer hooked on the one zipper. There's another zipper on top of the flip up here. Put that back before I forget it. Alright. Now you can see there's two pockets here. There's a bigger pocket here. Nothing really fancy. Just have some medical stuff. I have my boo-boo kit. I'll link a video in that in the description too if you want to see that below and how I made it. Just some band-aids. Now and then I wear glasses. Some Motrin. Some lens cleaner. Put that back in there. In this smaller hole here, you guys can see that I have a notepad, two different sizes of Fisher space pens, and I have my Lighten free P2. And honestly, that's it. Yeah, I don't like how things are kind of loosely thrown in there. I like organization and pockets. Unfortunately, this did not have it. But with that being said, this is what I'm carrying for right now, and it's nice. Don't get me wrong. I greatly enjoy it. Everything in there. There we go. But with that being said, what's out there? Do you guys know? Leave it in the comments below. I want to see what you guys know. I do have this Sling bag, the messenger bag. Again, not too many pockets, more of just a big giant hole. I use this bag for my slingshots. But this one's been torn to shreds and stuff. And I have this massive book bag here that I thought maybe I'd carry for some kind of everyday carry, but I'm not a college student. I don't go to school anymore. Yeah. I need something small with a lot of pockets. If you guys have any ideas, hit the comments below. I would love to hear you. Before I want to show you this solo gear real quick. It has a magnetic front, a big pocket in the front here. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets here. I used to carry this one. I used to carry the Lighten Wave Plus in this bag. Hope you guys can see that. There's some nylon mesh here. There's a key holder here. In the back, there's pockets. Nothing I really. I want more pockets. I have a charging block in here with a charger. That's about it though. Nothing. I wish it'd be like half that size. Maybe a little longer, but half that size. So I guess I'm reaching out to you guys, YouTube. I don't know what this video is about. But basically it's about for you guys to reach out and help me. If you guys have an idea down below, what's out there, what's available, please comment below. I'd greatly love to hear it. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.